We're gonna call this the damn I should have brought plywood job over here at Scott's beautiful home that we are doing a Techo Bloc patio at, around the pool. We're gonna check this out. The concrete's broke, we didn't do it. No cracks, we didn't do that. All right, let's check out the swamp.
Welcome back to the swamp.
Greg says we're going to get stuck.
5 minutes later.
This is the joy of starting a project when everything's soaking wet and muddy in March. Our delivery driver's stuck already.
Ride the hallway, ride the bus. 1 pair of pants later.
All good. Greg got him out.
2,000 years later.
All right, here we are. What a difference a day can make. Got some grading done here with the soil. Got all the stone in for the Techo Bloc pavers. Just need a little bit more in here tomorrow and finish it up, but we'll be screeting in no time. She's looking like a beaut.
The next day.
The beginning of day 2. We popping fences. Beautiful day. Construction going on all over the place. Cloudy, overcast. Perfect day to do some hardscaping. Well, as you can see here, we have mended the soil. We are gonna add some stone. We're gonna tamp it. Greg's over here shoveling this good old Lancaster County clay soil. Very active work site today here, day 3 on the Scott project. Yeah, it's gonna be a good one.
1 shift later.
All right. Base is completely done. Up to grade, ready for screed. Site is secure and locked. Like all good job sites should be. Running with OSHA Greg. We don't mess around. Let's go.
Next morning.
All right, so we have our perma edge set all the way around on this project. We are laid. Soldier course is in. Soil is graded up very nicely. We are orange fence certified. Closing up shop for the day. Looking real good on our line with the coping. It's gonna be a beautiful project when it's all done. Stay tuned, y'all.
Later.
CE Pond Sons back on the scene here in the lovely Stonehenge neighborhood, planting lots and lots of plants. Got some holes augured as we travel along the yard line into the backyard where we laid our Techo Bloc patio. Magnolias, spruces, more trees and dirt to play around in. And yeah, still need the grade, still need the seed, but this is what it looks like in the middle of a project, eh? We are back live here at the Scott job. It is planting day. Yes, that's right. We are here planting, you know, just a few plants throughout this beautiful yard here. Plant.
The wind is very fierce out here.
Plant. Yeah, it just keeps going. More plants. The machine that helps dig holes for the plants. The other machine that helps dig holes for the plants. Oh, that's right. We've already got these done. We've already got these in. And there's more over here too. But all in all, it's going well. Beautiful day here in central Pennsylvania. The mastermind, DP himself, Dude Perfect. Say what's up. We still got a lot of planning to do, but we'll get her done. 8 hours later. All the pretty plants are in the ground.
CE Pond. My voice.
Do you like me?
If you do, please say.